I used to think leggings were just for quick grocery runs or lazy days at home, until I figured out a few simple style shifts that made them one of my most flattering pieces. And I've shared these tips with hundreds of women over 50, who now tell me they've never felt so confident wearing leggings again. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I do it. And trust me, there's one styling trick I save for last that most women never even think to try. Let's start with one of my all-time favorite ways to make leggings look instantly more polished: a crisp white button-up shirt. There's something about that clean, structured top half that balances the casual nature of leggings beautifully. I always go for one that's a bit longer, just past the hip, with a slightly relaxed fit. It gives you coverage without looking like you're hiding, and that extra length smooths the transition between the shirt and the leggings. Roll up the sleeves for a casual, I just threw this on vibe, or leave them buttoned if you want something neater. And here's where the magic happens. Swap your usual sneakers for chunky leather clogs. A rich chestnut or sleek black clog instantly takes this outfit from grocery run to casual brunch ready. It's still comfortable, but it feels thought out. Now, there are a few do's and don'ts with this look. Do make sure your shirt is freshly ironed or steamed. Wrinkles make even the best outfit look lazy. Don't wear thin, faded leggings here. Stick to a thick, opaque pair in deep black or charcoal. I've worn this combo to coffee dates, weekend markets, and even casual Fridays, and every time it gets compliments. It's proof that leggings don't have to mean athleisure. They can look sharp and grown up with just a few tweaks. And honestly, the contrast between the crisp white shirt and the soft leggings is such a classic. It works on everyone, every time. Now, if you're in the mood for something that feels a bit more elevated but still easy, I can't recommend an oversized blouse enough. I'm talking about a silky button-down or a flowy cotton blouse that hits mid-thigh. This length is key. It gives you coverage where you want it, but the drape and movement keep it light and flattering. I especially love jewel tones here: deep emerald, burgundy, or navy. They add richness to the outfit and draw the eye upward, which is perfect for balancing the fitted nature of leggings. And depending on the vibe, you can pair this with pointed toe flats for a sharper feel or ankle boots for a bit of edge. A little trick I use: if the blouse feels too boxy, I'll belt it loosely at the waist. It still hides the tummy and hips, but you suddenly have shape again. The key here is proportion. The blouse should be oversized, but your shoes should be sleek so the whole outfit doesn't get too heavy. Do go for fabrics that move: silk, rayon, or lightweight cotton. Don't wear stiff or bulky tops here. They fight with the leggings and make you look bottom-heavy. I've linked some of my favorite blouses and belts that work perfectly with this look in the description box below. So if you're ready to try it, you'll know exactly where to start. Sometimes the most stylish looks are the simplest, and leggings with a great sweater is one of those combinations I'll never get tired of. The trick is in the details. Go for a sweater that's slightly oversized but not swallowing you. Ideally one that hits just below the hips for balance. I love rich autumn colors here, like deep burgundy, forest green, or that warm oatmeal beige that just feels cozy. The texture matters too. A chunkier knit feels more relaxed, while a smooth merino wool can look a bit more refined. And footwear can completely change the vibe. Pair it with knee-high boots for a sleeker look, or with chunky Chelsea boots if you want that trendy, casual feel. One styling move I use all the time is the half tuck. Just tuck the front of your sweater slightly into the waistband of your leggings. It gives your outfit shape and keeps it from looking like a blanket over tights. Do choose sweaters with enough weight so they drape instead of cling. Don't go for thin, flimsy knits. They can make leggings feel like you're wearing them as underwear instead of as pants. Now, I'm curious. Do you prefer your sweaters in bold statement colors, or do you usually stick to classic neutrals? Let me know in the comments below because I'm always looking for new color inspiration, and I love hearing what you gravitate toward. Now, for those days when comfort is non-negotiable, but you still want to look like you made an effort, Let's talk about the super laid-back leggings look. This is my go-to for travel days, grocery runs, or just strolling through the farmer's market. The formula is simple: a long, lightweight hoodie or sweatshirt paired with sleek, modern sneakers. The key here is keeping the color palette neutral or monochrome. Think black, cream, or soft gray, because the moment you throw in bright, mismatched colors, it can slide into that college campus in 2003 territory. I like adding a long coat or puffer vest over the top for extra style points and a bit of warmth. A little detail that makes a big difference: matching your sneakers to the tones in your outfit. It makes everything look intentional instead of random. Do invest in a pair of clean, well-kept sneakers that feel comfortable but stylish. Don't wear hoodies with loud, outdated logos or graphics. It instantly brings the whole look down. This outfit works because it's casual without being careless. And it's the kind of thing you can throw on in 5 minutes but still feel great walking out the door in. And honestly, it's proof that leggings can be just as comfortable as sweatpants, but a lot more flattering. When in doubt, all black never fails. And with leggings, it's one of the easiest ways to look instantly sleek. I like to start with a pair of thick, opaque black leggings. No fading, no shine. Then add a fitted black turtleneck or crew neck as the base. From there, I'll layer a long-line cardigan, a leather moto jacket, or a tailored black coat depending on the mood. The beauty of all black outfits is that they elongate the body and create that modern, streamlined silhouette without even trying. It's also incredibly forgiving. If you're not feeling your most confident that day, all black somehow smooths everything over. The real secret to making all black work is mixing textures so it doesn't look flat. Think matte leggings with a soft cashmere sweater, or sleek leather boots with a wool coat. Minimal gold or silver jewelry, just 1 or 2 pieces, can break up the look and give it polish without taking away from the clean lines. Do keep your blacks consistent in tone. Mismatched shades can make the outfit look worn out. Don't forget to play with proportions. An oversized coat over fitted leggings is a winning combo. And honestly, this is one of those looks you can wear to run errands in the morning and straight to dinner at night without changing a thing. If you think all black is sleek, wait until you see the last look I've saved. It's a styling trick I stumbled upon years ago, and it's something I've noticed most women over 50 never even think to try. It's a little unexpected, but it completely changes the way leggings read in an outfit, taking them from basic to effortlessly stylish in seconds. Here it is, the one pairing that surprises almost everyone: leggings and denim. But not just any denim. This is about a structured hip-length denim jacket layered over a tunic-length knit or blouse. The magic is in the contrast. You've got the sleek, fitted leggings on the bottom and the slightly rugged texture of denim on top. It creates instant balance and makes the whole outfit feel more modern. I like a slightly oversized denim jacket in a mid-wash, and I'll often roll up the sleeves to show a peek of the top underneath. It makes the look feel thought out without being fussy. The real trick here is layering. The tunic or blouse underneath should be just long enough to give coverage, but not so long that it drags under the jacket. Add ankle boots or slip-on mules to keep it elevated. Skip the flip-flops or overly sporty sneakers here, because they can make the look too casual. Do play with accessories. A scarf, crossbody bag, or even a bold pair of sunglasses can give the outfit personality. Don't pair it with short tops that cut you off at the waist. You'll lose that flattering line that makes leggings look their best. This look works year-round, but especially during those in-between seasons when you want layers without bulk. If you loved these ideas for styling leggings, you're going to love what I've got next. My upcoming video is all about 7 color combinations that flatter women over 50 plus. And trust me, it's packed with pairings that make outfits look fresh and modern without needing to buy a whole new wardrobe. A lot of these color tricks work beautifully with leggings outfits too. So if you want even more ways to elevate your style, That's definitely the one to watch next.